Dear Diary, tonight Amir asked me to marry him. I knew he would. I love him so much. It's hard to believe that we have known each other for only 8 months. But as much as I love him, I don't know what to do. My parents will be angry with me for marrying a man from India. They want me to marry only a Japanese man. My mother has told me that good Japanese marry only Japanese. And that's not all. There are so many other problems. I mean, where would we live? I think it would be very hard for me to live in India. Would I fit into Indian society? I don't speak any Indian languages. I would have a difficult time finding a job. And I don't want to be just a housewife. That's for sure. I don't think Amir would fit into Japanese society either. He doesn't speak Japanese. He sounds so funny when he tries to say a single Japanese word. It would be impossible for him to find a job in Japan. Besides, he doesn't even like Japanese food. Maybe we could stay in the United States. Both of us will finish our studies in May. I wonder if we could get work visas here. That might be difficult. But even if we could stay here, I don't know if I want to live away from Japan. I would miss my family and friends and everything. And what about our children? Children of mixed marriages might have a difficult time. Would they be Japanese? Indian? What? It's all so confusing. The more I write to you, dear diary, the more problems I see. I know that marriage is difficult. More and more marriages end in divorce. And I think that international marriages are even more difficult. Oh, I am so confused.